Water is the basis of life on this planet. And as a government, private firm or authority responsible for managing water-based assets or developing water infrastructure projects, you need the best tools available. Chances are you're aware or already using Autodesk for water management. But are you getting the most out of it? While Autodesk Water Infrastructure Solutions helps you optimize operations, increase efficiency and ensure sustainability, it's a highly specialized system. So without good quality support, it can be a real challenge. But with the right solutions provider, your team can unlock the full potential of your Info Drainage, InfoWorks ICM, InfoWorks WS Pro and other Autodesk products. That includes establishing a workgroup database, converting legacy models, effectively training your staff, and so much more. Civil Survey Solutions is a one-stop shop for your Autodesk needs, providing everything from procurement to implementation to comprehensive training and best-in-class technical support. We get you up to speed fast, so your organization gets the highest possible value from Autodesk with every water infrastructure project you work on. Our partnership with Urban Water Solutions means your team always receives best-in-class training and advice directly from engineers with in-field experience in water management projects, just like yours. Plus, we also have qualified engineers and professionals in architecture, engineering, construction and surveying. So we can act as a single point of Autodesk expertise for every department in your enterprise. Civil Survey Solutions are Autodesk Gold Partners and the leading provider to local governments in Australia. Chat directly with one of our engineers to learn how you can get more from your Autodesk investment.